How to send money safely with Google Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send money safely with Google Wallet. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So first thing is you can head over to Google Wallet, and in the top right corner, you'll be finding a sign in option. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you need to set up your Google account. So under this information, under this form section, you need to fill out the form by providing your name, your country, your location, your credit or debit card number, expiration date, and your security code. Once that is provided, at the top you can find a settings. Go ahead and open it up. And from there, you need to verify your identity once it is created. So go ahead and tap on this verify. Once you are here, go ahead and verify your identity. Once verified, you need to create a PIN for yourself for a more safer transaction. Go ahead and enter a 4-digit wallet PIN and confirm your PIN. After that, create a PIN for yourself. Once that is done, you can add up a payment method for yourself. You can add a wallet balance, link a bank account, add a debit card or credit card. You can add money however you want. After that is done, you can head over to Wallet Card and app and go ahead and access your Google Wallet card. Tap on this Get Your Card option. So here are the 3 ways to send the money to another person. On the desktop side, click on the Send Money on the left sidebar. On the mobile app, tap Send Money, and in a Gmail message, you can click on the dollar icon in the attachment field. That is it. This is the method you can do a safe transaction with Google Wallet by following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.